Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install the Facebook Conversions API on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to navigate to business.facebook.com. The first step is to enable Shopify as a partner, and for that you have to navigate to business.facebook.com. Now in the sidebar to the left of your screen, click on the hamburger, three lines stacked on top of each other marked as more tools. Click on that option, and when opening the hamburger sidebar, click on Events Manager button. After that, in your Facebook Events Manager, open your settings, and this is where the magic happens. Now scroll down to turn on advanced matching, and now scroll down to the conversion API and choose a partner. You'll want to remove any current partners if you have any, and choose Shopify, and then click the finish button. After finishing it, the second step is to add the Facebook app in your Shopify store. And now head over to your Shopify store and log into your Shopify store. Go to your admin dashboard, and then click on the apps button from the left side, and then click on shop for apps button. After that, type Facebook into the search bar of the app store, and you'll find several results. So look for the Facebook channel app, and then click add app button. Click add app button, and now once the page that notifies you of download appears, scroll down and click add sales channel. Now after clicking on add sales channel, the third step is to set up the Shopify and Facebook integration. So the page will look like this. Now we have to set it up. Click the start setup button. After going to Facebook option, click the start setup button. Now hit connect account button and verify your Facebook account and password. Now you will allow Shopify to access everything it needs in order to continue with the setup by giving it permission. And now connect your business manager by selecting the desired account. Under domain verification, enter your domain and hit make sure it is verified, and then hit confirm. After clicking the confirm button, your domain will be has to be verified, so you can receive and send emails. And if it isn't verified, then you can find different ways to verify your domain in Business Manager. So after confirming, you have connected your Facebook page. For that, click on the connect button in the Facebook page tab, and you can see here. And now moving on to the data sharing section, it will ask you to choose the levels. So select maximum level since it uses the conversions API. So that's how you can connect. That's how you can set up Facebook Conversion API on your Shopify store. Now with the rest of the setup, you have to connect a Facebook Commerce account and review the terms and conditions and accept them. Now click on finish setup button, and that's how you can set up Facebook Conversion API on your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.